I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If your Etsy account is locked after a review, follow these steps to get it unlocked. Step 1. Check your email. Look for any communication from Etsy regarding your account status. They often send detailed instructions on why your account was locked and what you need to do. Step 2. Review Etsy policies. Familiarize yourself with Etsy's policies to understand what might have caused the lock. This can help you avoid future issues and prepare your appeal. Step 3. Gather required information. Prepare any necessary information or documentation that Etsy may require for the unlocking process. This could include proof of identity or business details. Step 4. Submit an appeal. Use the Etsy Help Center to submit an appeal for your locked account. Be clear and concise in your explanation, providing all requested information. Step 5. Wait for a response. After submitting your appeal, be patient and wait for Etsy's response. This can take several days, so check your email regularly for updates. Sometimes, Etsy may require additional verification, so be ready to respond quickly if they reach out. I hope this helps you get your account unlocked. Good luck!